Hello friends, in this tutorial we solve a numerical on a composite matrix is called as a combined matrix or also known as a concatenated matrix. So this is basically based on the transformation of computer graphics. Whenever solve a numerical, what is the actual graphical representation done over here? So first I have read this numerical and then solve one by one. Okay. Numerical is a triangle PQR with vertices P 30 20. So first point is a 30 20 coordinate, Q 90 20 and R 30 80 is to be scale factor 0.5 about a point. So here is not mention about scale factor x with respect to x or with respect to y. So we have to basically assume as a scale factor for both is a 0.5. And about a point T 50 40. Okay. So what is the find out? Determine CT matrix and the vertices. So the ring factor, and here is some given data. We solve this entire process with respect to this formula. I mean CT is equal to from go this order from backward to front means third, but how to actual graphical representation done over here. So see, okay. So first point 30 20, 90 20 and last point is 30 80. So see here I have prepared one Excel chart or Excel table. So in that first I have write original point. Okay. For write original point, after that this original point multiply with a translation, then scaling and then inverse translation. Means process is the same. Okay, but how to graphically represent? So first I have marked this point. Which point? This point. This T 50 40. So I will mark first T 50 40. Okay, so this is the first point, 50 in x direction, 40 in y direction. After that I have to mark all PQR on this graph. So this is a triangle. So first point is a 30 20, then a 90 20 and last one is a 30 80. See here 30 20, 90 20 and 30 80. Okay, so PQR triangle is a finish. Now actual transformation is a start. So what is a transformation? First type is a translation. So O means original point multiply with translation. So this point coincide with origin. So we have to assume a translation factor is a go to origin means minus negative sign. So what is the translation factor? Translation factor is the x means Tx is a minus 50 and Ty is a minus 40. Okay, see here minus, okay, in this minus 40 and minus 50. So whenever apply this translation and multiply with origin point of a vertices or a triangle, then this matrices become as a look like this. So this actual PQR triangle, we have to try to move this origin, means this point travel from here to here, and then we have to apply another translation like the scaling or rotation. So this is a method. So after that multiplication this original point into this translation, so this geometry move to origin. After origin we see here we apply a scaling factor 0.5. So multiply this T into O means this entire matrices multiply with scaling factor. So scaling factor for both direction x and y. So this matrices become as a Sx, Sy is a 0.5 and this is a representation. Okay. So this is multiply with this T multiply with O means original point multiply with translation and then this over multiplication multiply with this scaling factor. So this matrices become here and this geometry scale here. So 0.5 means reduces. So see here. Okay. So this blue color geometry shows the this entity scale in half, all direction, and then this geometry go to again original position, means from origin to original position. So I have multiply again this entire s into t into original point, multiply with inverse translation, means revert back. So see here, this process is again same, t multiply with s multiply with inverse. So see here, so this geometry again go to original position. So this is the entire process. And what is the vertices? P point 40 and 30. So see here, 40 and 30. Then another Q point is a 70 30. So see here, this 60 behind for 60 to next 70 and this 30. Then again here is a 40 and 60. Look at here, 40 and 60. Okay, thank you.